Mechanism of antibiotics. Number 1. Cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Target cell wall synthesis typically disrupts the process of peptidoglycan assembly, leading to weakened cell walls and eventual cell lysis. Example, beta-lactam, glycopeptides, phosphomycin, bacitracin, alpha-phosphorylin. Number 2. DNA gyrase inhibitors. Interaction with bacterial enzymes known as DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4, which leads to inhibition of bacterial replication, transcription, and repair of bacterial DNA. Example, quinolones. Number 3. Inhibition of DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. This leads to the suppression of RNA synthesis and cell death, and this contributes directly to treatment-shortening TB regimens. Example, rifampicin. Number 4. Cell membrane inhibitor. A binds to the bacterial membrane and creates holes that leak ions, causing rapid depolarization, which leads to inhibition of bacterial DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis and bacterial cell death. Example, lipopeptides, polymyxins, daptomycin. Number 5. Inhibition. RNA synthesis inhibitors block the heat shock protein 90 and prokaryotic DNA-dependent RNA synthesis, respectively. Example, ansamycins. Number 6. Folate synthesis inhibitors. Sulfonamides inhibit the production of folic acid in bacteria. Folic acid is an essential vitamin for bacteria, as it is needed for the synthesis of DNA. This group of drugs inhibits dihydroxyapatite synthase and dihydrofolate reductase and blocks the formation of folic acid. Dihydroxyapatite synthase is an enzyme that converts para-aminobenzoic acid to dihydrofolate. Dihydrofolate reductase is an enzyme that converts dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolate. Number 7. Protein synthesis inhibitors. This group of drugs inhibit bacterial protein synthesis by targeting bacterial ribosomes, which leads to disrupting bacterial growth and reproduction. Tetracyclines, amikoside bind to the 30S ribosome and macrolide, lincosamide and streptogramin. Antibiotics bind to 50S ribosomal subunits and inhibit the bacterial protein synthesis. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities, and all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purposes only. Any copyrighted material on these slides is included as fair use for educational purposes only. It will be removed at the request of copyright owners.